In 1 minute, you'll sneeze, just like that. No big deal. In 1 hour, you'll be sneezing every 30 seconds. Your abs will start to ache like after 1,000 sit-ups. In 4 hours, sneezes come every 10 seconds. You don't have time to inhale. You don't have time for anything. In 6 hours, your ribs can't take it anymore. Micro cracks spread across the bones like a spider web. In 8 hours, the pressure in your head becomes monstrous. Capillaries in your eyes burst. The world turns red. In 10 hours, a rib breaks. The sharp edge waits for its moment. In 12 hours, your brain takes the first